Lei Homa, that's how's it going in Cantonese. I'm Wil Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you've been following the channel for some time, I'm proud to have us cooking together. A little over a year ago, I decided to put a cookbook together that was very unique to the marketplace that combined my love for cooking and a hot bowl of ramen. After a lot of problem solving, constant fear and anxiety, and a lot of efforts, the vegan ramen cookbook was born. You may have come to know that I also work as a professional photographer and videographer, so a personal requirement of mine for that book was that the images had to have been just completely stunning and narrative, plus they also needed to be an image for every single recipe in the book. To my surprise, I did not realize how much effort and financial resources that it required to produce the book, and after the first book, I vowed to never publish another book again. Throughout the year, I've received an overwhelming amount of positivity from the vegan ramen cookbook and how it's added value to people's everyday life. Moreover, I've received an incredible amount of requests for a cookbook that has your favorite recipes from the cooking show here on YouTube. I'm pleased to introduce you to the brand new second cookbook, simply titled Cook with Confidence. This new book is a collection of the cooking show favorites like the ultimate mapo tofu, the delicious coconut curry fried rice, the flavor-packed vermicelli salad, and new recipes like the hearty poke bowl and an amazing, luscious curry laksa. I decided to keep the sections in this book sleek and simple with only 3 categories of sides and starters, entrees, and sweets. Just like the first cookbook, I decided to keep this book also self-published. This way I can oversee and actually be a part of the entire process, from the actual content planning, recipe writing, the photography of course, reviewing the print proofs, and working with a printing company on a personal level every step of the way. Both books are created, printed, and bound here in Ontario, Canada, and it's important to me to personally oversee the fulfillment of the books because I recognize that it might feel a little weird ordering something from a random guy on YouTube. Like the ramen cookbook, there is a digital and print version of this book, and for more information on ordering your signed copy, you can check out the link in the description box below. Both books are currently only available exclusively on YoungManCooking.com. It's an absolute pleasure to cook together here on YouTube, and I sincerely hope that these 2 books will bring you just as much, if not more joy and value in your everyday life as it has in the Yeung Man Cooking kitchen. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next episode.